All right. Oh, shoot. Hold on, Hannah. Sorry. Okay. Who's this? Oh, Hannah, I'm going to sit in your seat. Okay. No, never mind.
Great idea.
You know what? I have a great idea, too. Stop talking.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right. Tell me what the difference is between proportional and non-proportional from your notes yesterday. Tell Hannah, too. Ben?
One's consistent.
Which one is consistent?
The proportional.
Proportional. And it's not consistent, it's... Use the vocabulary word.
Constant.
Constant. Thank you. Julia, what is non-proportional?
When the ratios or rates are not constant and
Good. So the rate of change does not stay
the same.
the same. Wonderful. So we're going to look at some story problems, and we're going to start working out whether or not that is proportional or non-proportional. Your first problem. Andrew earns $18 per hour for mowing lawns. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? Explain your answer. So Andrew earns $18 for every lawn he mows. So what they did is they made a table for you. And so it says if he mows one lawn, he makes $18. If he mows 2 lawns, he makes $36. If he mows 3 lawns, he makes $54. Michael Vonder, stop talking. So on and so forth. Michael.
Is this the same lesson?
Yes. Nicholas.
Couldn't you just put the camera on?
No. Actually, yes.
That's what I was trying to suggest earlier, but it didn't really work. Do you want me to make sure she can see the computer?
Can you see that far when I... Never mind.
Oh, you're talking about
Well.
Okay. What I'm going to do, can you all see the chart? What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the skill. I know that you don't like this skill because it's easy, but I need to show you it so that you understand what to do when you're done. Okay? What they want you to do is they want you to look at each table unit and make a rate out of it, not a ratio, a rate. So when I look at 36 over 2, is that a ratio or a rate? Everybody.
Ratio.
And it's written as 36 over 2. I need to change that to a unit rate. How do I get my denominator to be 1? Gabriel?
You divide by 2.
You divide by 2 on
The bottom and the top.
top and the bottom. Divided by 2 is going to give me 18 over 1. Now I have a unit rate. Does this match this? Yes.
Yeah.
So let's keep going. 54 over 3. How do I change that to a unit rate? Ben. And the... Whatever you do up here, you got to do. Yes, divide them both by 3. 54 divided by 3. Go.
18 over 1.
Wonderful. Do you see how you have the same unit rate every time you calculate it? If they're the same, is Andrew making proportional amounts of money?
Yes.
Wonderful. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Guys, I'm sick of you guys shouting out. You're making me cray cray. I already am cray cray, so that's not good. Page 34 in your textbook.
Right.
That's all. Page 34 in your textbook. Please do letter A. I would like you to make a table. No.
Oh, dang.
Okay.
Teacher side or book?
In the book. Letter A in the book, please make a chart. At least four data points.
Since it's in intervals of 2 teachers, so should we do 1, 2, 4? Because it has to be a rate, or should we do 1, 2, 3, 4?
It's just like our school.
Yeah.
How many teachers are in first grade? How many teachers are in second grade? How many teachers are in third grade?
But in order to get it down to a rate, should we go 1, 2, and then start going 4, 6, 8?
It's up to you. If you want to make the table first and then move them all to rates, that's fine. If you want to make them rates as you go, that's fine. In this case, pretend that they all have 48 students per grade level. We don't at Immaculate Conception. It's all fluctuating. Pretend every classroom has 24 students. Max.
You said 4 data points?
At least 4, yes. Kara.
Would this be how
Mhm. Oh, hold on a second. Should one of your data points be one teacher?
Yeah. No.
Because it asks you for
2.
2 teachers, so you're going to count by
2.
2s.
Darn it.
We're learning. It's okay. How do we learn, buddy?
With mistakes and solving them.
So how do you make
You're not listening to what I told you to do.
That's what I'm asking you.
It's right here. Stop worrying about what's on the board. Start worrying about what's in the book. These are not unit rates, and there's no grade level that has an odd number of teachers.
Something smells like pig.
I'm saying, if you look at grades 1 and 2, there's 4 teachers. Right? Mrs. Hellenthal, Mrs. Hansberry, Mrs. Hayes,
They each have.
Mrs. Miller. They.
No, I mean like first grade had 4 teachers and second grade had 4 teachers.
What does the problem say?
I know.
It doesn't say I know. What does it say? I want you to put down the chart that you think is correct. We'll go through it together as a class. There's an example in the middle of page 34 that you can look at and see what they want you to do.
I have a question.
You can flip it and put the 2, 4, 6, 8 on top if you want. Aiden.
couple days ago, you said that I did interrupt the
Ian.
Alright, so we're supposed to divide the
You want to get all of your data points to units.
right.
How do you get a unit rate?
So you divide
By.
by the denominator.
So that your denominator is always
1.
1.
Wait.
So what should be on the bottom of your chart?
Well,
Anything divisible by 48
No.
going up by 48.
You want your denominators to be 1. What should have been on the bottom of your chart?
1.
Right.
Wait.
1?
So what is
You said not for 1.
Yeah,
You just said no? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No.
What was it supposed to be?
Oh my gosh. All right.
I'm so confused. I don't like it.
What's the end?
Sam, I'm not warning you anymore. Max, I'm not warning you anymore. What is my labels? Wow, that was bad English. What are my labels? Julia.
Oh.
No, labels. Okay, where am I gonna put teachers? The bottom. Why am I putting teachers on the bottom?
Oh.
Why am I putting teachers on the bottom?
Dang.
Ian.
I'm sorry.
You want these to become ones. You're gonna put them on the bottom because that is your denominator. Right? So this is gonna be your students because it's the bigger number.
Alright.
Okay, fill this in for me, please. Griffin.
The first student one is 48 over 2. The next one is 96 over 4. The third one is 144 over 6. And the last one is 192 over 8.
Perfect.
Will you kill me if I did it backwards?
And it would never kill you.
Well, still.
If you did it backwards.
I did it
Well, I put
backwards too.
students and teachers.
Yeah.
Okay, but then you're gonna get 1 over 24. Is that a unit rate?
I got 24 over 1. Hold on. Because if
It
you
is-
divide
isn't
it
it
by...
right?
Denominator of 1. So you can
Well,
simplify it.
I still.
Oh my god.
You can simplify it, but you need to flip it.
I still.
Okay? All of your ratios, when you divide down now, how many of you did that already? Okay, not enough people. Now you're gonna reduce all of your ratios to become rates. So I have 48 over 2. What am I gonna divide by to get my denominator to be 1? Everybody.
Divide by 2.
Perfect.
Oh.
96 over 4 I'm dividing by. 144 over 6 I'm dividing by. 192 over 8 I'm dividing by. Go.
What?
Go. Do it.
Oh.
Do it. That.
But you watch the most.
Yes.
You don't get
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
That's fine. What did I just say about the easy problems? Do them all out so that you can understand the harder problems. It's like basketball. You can't go easy on your drills.
Basketball isn't my thing.
No, you're not supposed to.
Oh.
It's possible.
My mom, when kids go easy in her practice, she like goes.
Because can you go easy in a game?
No.
So practices are easy because there's no competition really. This is what I'm talking. This is the same thing. You're practicing the easy ones so that when you get to the hard ones, you have the stamina to do them.
It has to be the other way around.
Some of you are looking at me like you have no idea what I'm talking about. Megan,
Practice harder
Put my
play.
teachers on top, but I know I had to flip them.
that's as long as you know to flip them and that your ones are on the bottom. That's fine. Gabriel, what did I tell you about standing?
I'm going to get
Why is your chair off the ground then? Was your chair off the ground? Should never leave the floor.
I'm stacking my chair.
I'm gonna put you in a chair and then I'm gonna stack chairs. Never mind.
That's not your fault.
It would just fall off.
Your unit rate for all 4 of these is what? Mora. 24 over 1. At this particular school, are the rates of teachers to students proportional?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Great.
Alright.
Now we are going to look at non-proportional relationships. So let's look at page 35. In number 2, Uptown Ticket charges $7 for a baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee per order. Stop looking at that. Is the cost of an order proportional to the number of tickets ordered? Explain. Ladies and gentlemen, if tickets are $7 plus a $3 processing fee for everything, is it going to be proportional? No. Can you stop there and just say, I already know the answer?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
The rate is right there.
We just talked about it. No, you cannot, because I need you to practice so that when the questions get harder, you know what to do. So let's take a look at this. They have taken each of the ratios and turned them into rates. 10 over 1 is already a unit rate, so they just left it as 10. 17 over 2 is a unit rate, would be 8.5 over 1. Automatically, can you stop there and say I'm done?
Yes.
Is your homework going to let you?
Yes.
No, you have to find rates for every single one.
Oh, darn it.
24 over 3 turns into 8. 31 over 4 turns into 7.75 over 1. Is that relationship proportional? Who said yes? Go. Sophia Palma, I need you to sit up, please. No lap writing. Sophia Palma, no lap writing. Thank you very much. All right. You need to find every unit rate within that chart when you're doing your work. There are no exceptions. It's great if you can tell me right off the bat that you know it's not a unit rate. What are the unit rates? I'm going to look for that. Okay? So, would you please do letter B? They already have a chart ready for you. So, fill it in. Fill in the chart, and then I want you to find the unit rates for each of them. Yes.
So a unit rate has to have a 1 on the bottom, right?
Yes.
Can a ratio be a fraction?
A ratio is a fraction.
I mean, can it be like the 26 colon 1?
It can be a colon, yes.
Aren't the smaller numbers on the bottom?
What are you going to have to do when you're done? Flip it. It's not that hard, dude. Max.
So, it says that it has $120 in the bank. Does that mean week 1 is the $120 and then you add $20 for week 2 and 3?
It says you get $20 every week.
Well, yes, I know, but is number one?
You already have $120.
So
So in week 1 you have,
140.
yes.
Oh, okay.